Creepmas. And for all things Halloween, well, kind of, this is Sandy Claus, or Hauntformer. Today, I am back to get you in the festive mood while also keeping things 100% creepy over here, because I am taking a look at something equal parts creepy and equal parts festive to get you into the holiday spirit of things. I'm going to take the claw off momentarily. I have, from my good friend Lee. Lee, thank you again so much. I was not honestly expecting this to come in the mail, but you told me you were going to send me some spooky yet festive, cheery Christmas candles, and here they are. From Misfire and Dread, which is Lee's Etsy store. I'll put a link in the description below. I am really excited to dive into this. If you haven't, go back and watch the Halloween episode that I did back in October. And when I made that episode, Lee responded to me in an email saying that that maybe more candles were on the way. And I am so excited to unbox these. So Lee, thank you so much yet again from my spooky yet festive little heart. Even though I'm a Halloween channel, I do like to get in the Christmas spirit because Christmas is such a magical time of year with the movies and the music and the smells, just like Halloween. So we're gonna unbox, or I guess it's kind of more of a bag, really. We're gonna unbag these candles and see what kind of goodies lurk inside. Because I know for Halloween, a lot of the candles revolved around pumpkin or some sort of fall scent, except for the Packanack. That one was pretty swanky in terms of its originality there. So, now we have 4 new candles, and maybe some Christmas-themed stuff. But regardless, maybe Christmas isn't your thing. These make perfect gifts and stocking stuffers because these candles are perfect for that creepy little person in your life. Now, hopefully they're not creeping on you. Maybe you're doing the creeping. Not sure how that works. Aw, there's a little note. Of course I'm gonna read it. Ooh. Aw, it's a thank you. Oh, I got more stickers. What'd I get this time? Let's see. I got a bat. Can you see that? The coffee. And like a lantern. Look at that. Mac, I just wanted to say thank you for the amazing video review that you posted. I was so nervous watching. Please have these as a Christmas present. If you plan to review these, then great. I will post a 30% off sale for your viewers. Code HAUNT2020. Thank you, Lee. I know this was a thank you card for me, but really I want to say thank you to you. So please take advantage of this opportunity. Use that discount while you can so you can save on these awesome candles. Because whether you're in the Christmas or the Halloween spirit, smells are never bad. That's, well, I stand corrected sometimes. So we have four candles in here, just like the last time. We have Jack's Advocate. We have The Stuff. Let's get... And... Oh, sorry. Dangerous Dan. And one more that I can't read, so... I can read, I just can't. And the Springwood Slasher. So you know what, let's start there, because I had the Freddy glove in the beginning, so it's only fitting to start with the Springwood Slasher, which is, of course, the notorious Freddy Krueger. You know, it's weird. When I started... I got my... When I started December, instead of jumping into Christmas movies, I actually started watching the Nightmare on Elm Street series for some reason. Maybe it's that iconic red and green sweater that Freddy sports. But regardless, I started watching those to kick off the Christmas season, and it wasn't a terrible choice, honestly. But this candle smells like Stay Awake hot coffee, which coffee kind of goes with the season we're in right now. I mean, people drink coffee all year, but hey, you gotta stay awake from Freddy somehow. Ooh, snap. Okay, so the candle itself is a nice pinkish reddish color to go with the Freddy vibes. but it does not smell pink at all. This smells straight up like you walked into a Starbucks. I'm not kidding. And so let me smell it one more time. Just to get that scent, I'm gonna light it too. If I don't blow the flame out. Now, one thing I want to say is that I'm not actually a coffee drinker, believe it or not. I'm sure a lot of you watching are. I'm not a coffee drinker. However, I do love me the smell of coffee. When I was at work, actually, when we have coffee at my job, I, was pouring coffee, and I'm like, this smells really good. Maybe I was wrong. Nah, I still don't like coffee, but it does smell great. Whew, that is a good smell. Thank you, Lee. That was amazing, and it will keep you up. So, if you're terrified of Freddy Krueger sneaking in your room, snatching your people up, don't worry. He won't be able to with the coffee. What did I just drop? Oh, I dropped... One sec. I also want to point out that it appears that I dropped the double the odds axe. It's a little pin, so thank you. I love the little goodies thrown in. This is why you need to get out there and support Misfire and Dread. Seriously. So, up next is Dangerous Dan, which smells like fizzy pop, candy canes, and syrup. Now, Lee or someone in the comments, you might have to tell me what Dangerous Dan is referring to. I'm sure I'm going to hit myself for not realizing what this is referring to. Fizzy pop, candy canes, and syrup. I mean, candy canes and syrup are, two of the 4 elf food groups, but I'm pretty sure this isn't an elf-themed candle. Is it some sort of Christmas horror movie? If so, I don't remember the name of the guy. No, it wasn't Billy from Silent Night, Deadly Night. I don't know. In the comments, somebody tell me what the smell is. Ooh, this is interesting. Because it's fizzy pop, like soda. This is definitely... This might be the sweetest of the scents that Misfire has sent me. Oh, I just smelled the fire. I just literally burned my nose hair. I'm not kidding. I'm bald. It does smell quite good, though. This is a good one. Definitely sweet. This is like you walked into a candy store. But the candy canes and the syrup definitely get the Christmas feeling across. So if you're so inclined, check out Dangerous Dan. What a scent. We're brewing something in here, kids. I don't know what. And now we're on to our final 2, which I'm going to save the best for last, in my opinion, but we'll see. So next we have Jack's Advocate, which there's a lot of Jacks in the horror community, I guess, but I'm gonna go out on a limb, judging that this is eggnog and coconut bourbon, to guess this is Jack Skellington from Tim Burton's The Nightmare Before Christmas. Not directed by Tim Burton, though, no. Actually, Henry Selick. But bourbon and eggnog. Sorry, my smeller is trying to recalibrate. I'm not fully smelling the eggnog. I'm smelling, like, some sort of egg. I don't know if it's nog. I do smell some bourbon. It does smell quite good, though, regardless of what it smells like. And maybe my scent, my smeller is just a tad off. I do love me some eggnog, though. This is the only time of year you can get it, and whenever I seize the opportunity, I seize the opportunity. Because, that's good stuff. Not good for you, though. It does smell quite good. That's a good one. The only thing is, I'm unboxing these literally like 5 days before Christmas, which I should have done this a tad earlier. But either way, doesn't matter. Good smells last the whole year. That's a good New Year's resolution, to have your house smelling a little bit nicer. Because mine definitely, my room could use it.
What's that supposed to mean?
And finally, last but certainly not least, when I saw the title, I was just so happy. The Stuff. the Stuff. Now, if you don't know what The Stuff is, then you're really missing out. The Stuff is a horror movie from 1985 by Larry Cohen. It's about killer ice cream, believe it or not. You eat it and it eats your insides. And so this one, fittingly, smells like vanilla, rum, and whipped butter, which is awesome. So I'm going to jump into that. By the way, I forgot to mention that these are soy and vegetable blended wax. I said that before in the previous unboxing, but I didn't say it in this video. But fittingly, the Stuff is white. If you've seen the movie, the Stuff is white. Ooh, and it smells like a fresh vanilla ice cream. Really good smell. Probably what the Stuff would have actually smelled like. Which, fun fact for you people who are big into movies, the Stuff in the movie, it was actually Haagen-Dazs vanilla ice cream that all of the actors would eat on the set. So pretty cool. If you haven't seen the Stuff, go check it out. It's not really Christmas, but it's sweets, and for whatever reason, I like me some sweets around Christmas time more so than any other time of the year. Ooh, that's a good smell. Oh, it's not going out. Good stuff, good stuff. So, that's all I got. That's everything from Misfire and Dread. Lee, thank you again so much for being so kind to send this, and make sure to use my promo code so you can save on these delicious candles. Though don't eat or / drink the wax. That would, 1, be painful, and 2, just don't, okay? Trust me. But do get them to smell, because they are quite fantastic. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing and review, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, for all things Creepmas Halloween, this is Hauntformer.